I hope you guys are having a good day. It has been 8 days since I posted on here. I am going through the pit of hell with my menopause and the anxiety and the depression. I can't even describe to you how awful it's been lately. So if you're going through something similar, my heart goes out to you. It has been absolutely awful. And all I can say is menopause can suck it. It's terrible. But that's not why I'm here. But I did want to just maybe ask for some prayers and offer some prayers for anyone going through similar struggles. But today I loved my hair and I wanted to show you what I did with it. So this is my original Danity from In Vogue Concepts by Kirsten. It used to be In Vogue Medical Wigs and Beyond. Danity is a pretty budget-friendly human hair wig that is naturally curly, and I can do so many things with this wig. And that's why I wanted to show it, because when you're new to wearing wigs, it is not only so overwhelming, but it feels as though there's been a death in your life because you've lost your hair and you don't really know that you can do a lot of the same things with your wigs that you can do with your bio hair. This is a simple twist with a cheap Amazon clip. That's all it was. I just twisted it up, put this clip in, and played with the curls. Now, I know many of you are going to ask me what color this Danity is. It was originally the Blonde Balayage. I think she's discontinuing this color, but even if she isn't, a brand new Danity would not look like this. Human hair wigs, one of the challenges is that the color changes over time. Just like our bio hair, it oxidizes from the sun, it'll fade and just change. And so when you see a wig sister wearing a human hair wig, unless it is absolutely brand new, you can never expect to get the exact same color, because the more you wear it, the more that color will change. And I know this one has changed, but I wanted to show you. First of all, I just wanted to get on here because it's been just so awful and I've missed you guys so much, and I've just felt like quitting everything. And so, oh gosh, so today when I had my hair really cute, I wanted to share it with all of you. So I can't believe I'm doing this. I think many of you know what I'm going through. I love doing the wig stuff, but life doesn't stop for everything. So sometimes we've just got to power through. So I just wanted to show that to you. If you're new to wearing wigs and you can only afford one wig and you like curly wigs like this, Danity could be one to consider. She's going to last longer than a synthetic wig, and because she's naturally curly, you don't have to style her. All I typically do is scrunch her, and I use a little spray. I'll show you the spray that is my favorite. I get it at Walmart. It's like $6, and I just use this to refresh the curls. Between this and water, that's really all I have to do to this one, but you can curl it, you can straighten it, so you're not stuck with just the curls. In addition, I have trimmed layers into mine. None of these layers were there. I have 2 videos on YouTube using Danity. One is showing how I trim layers into my Danities with a thinning razor. It is so foolproof. Curly wigs are so forgiving, and this, you do not need skills to use something like this, and how I get the most out of my curls without having to use heat. So if you're new, I hope this gave you a little bit of encouragement and some ideas, and just know that I have tons of videos on YouTube. I have times when I can film a lot more than I've been able to film lately, but I have tons of videos on YouTube just showing you how easy what I just did was. So you can go check them out. Now, I can't see what I'm doing. I would normally kind of look in a mirror, but this is essentially it. You know, I would make sure that you can't see the cap. I would pull some hair down. I like to pull some of this down and then tuck it behind my ear. But I mean, I didn't need any other accessories. Just throw it up with a clip. Let me know if you have questions, and if you have a prayer to spare, I could sure use it. Let me know if I can pray for you, because I know I'm not the only one struggling right now. Hope you guys have a great rest of your Sunday. Thanks for letting me come here and share.